Hey everyone, John here from Diode. One of our most popular products right now are our Stage Series rock lights, and for good reason. So today, I want to do a quick unboxing and show you everything you'll receive. Let's check them out. We offer two versions of our rock lights. One that's RGBW, giving you the option to change the color on the fly with your smartphone, and a single color option with a low and high powered 10 watt 1000 lumen white output. You have the option to choose from bare wire leads for those who want to build a more custom setup, as well as waterproof connectors for a more straightforward plug and play install. They can be secured with or without a separate mount. However, our engineers have designed multiple brackets to make mounting the lights easier. Check the video in the description below for more information on the different mounting solutions we offer. Starting with our single pack rock light, you'll receive one single color or RGBW rock light. This one is RGBW, so it has the waterproof M8 connector. Also included are two zip ties in our rock light hardware kit. Next, we have our 2-pack of rock lights. This includes two single color or RGBW rock lights, a mounting guide and QR code for installation instructions, one 1-meter extension, one 3-meter extension, two M8 splitters, 6 zip ties, and two rock light hardware kits. Next up, we've got our 4-pack of rock lights. When you open up the box, you'll see a QR label for install instructions, a sticker sheet, and 4 RGBW or single color Stage Series rock lights. Underneath that, we'll find all of our wiring instructions and hardware. This consists of two 5-meter extensions, two 3-meter extensions, a wiring harness, 12 zip ties, and 4 hardware kits. This harness changes between single color and RGBW. For RGBW, you'll need to purchase a controller separately in order to fully control your lights. You'll also receive one butt connector. This is so you can connect to a switch bank if you choose to do so. If you order our single color lights, you'll receive 2 butt connectors for the high and low power functions. Now we can move on to our 8-pack. This consists of a 4-pack and two 2-packs. These will consist of everything we've previously gone over. If you feel you may need more extensions for your build, don't worry, you can always order extra. And there you have it. We've walked you through what's included with the single, 2-pack, 4-pack, or 8-pack of our Stage Series rock lights. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments section below, or feel free to reach out to our US-based customer service team at any time. And if you're interested in some Stage Series rock lights for yourself, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any newer future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.